Taxes, everyone's favorite thing. Whether we like it or not, tax season is right around the corner, so let's talk about some of the potential deductions for us pet sitters and dog walkers. I am not an accountant, and this is not financial or legal advice. For those of you that don't know, I'm Doug the Dog Guy. I've been a full-time professional pet sitter and dog walker for over 8 years, and I've built an award-winning team of pet professionals servicing Northeast and Central Florida. So everything that I say in this video about our potential deductions as pet sitters and dog walkers and all this financial stuff is just based off of my own experience as a pet sitter and pet business owner. And that's what this entire YouTube channel is about, if you're not aware. So please subscribe to stay up to date with my weekly content. I post videos twice a week, every week, sharing my experience as a pet sitter, dog walker, and pet business owner. Before I get into the deductions, I do want to mention that you should definitely have a separate business bank account, and you should be keeping your personal and business expenses completely separate. Not only that, but you should be tracking and watching all of your numbers throughout the year, not just so that you're not left scrambling at tax season, but so that you can make better business decisions. Mileage is always my biggest deduction as a pet sitter and dog walker, and the same is true for most of the other pet sitters and dog walkers that I know. We do a lot of driving as pet professionals, going from one client's home to another, and we can actually get 56 cents per mile back for all of those business-related miles. Now, it is important to remember, though, that you can only either write off your mileage or your vehicle expenses. You cannot write off both. So it's either 56 cents per all of those business-related miles, or you can write off your oil changes and tires and all of those kinds of expenses if you're not actually driving a lot of miles. You would want to do the math, have your accountant do the math, and figure out which is going to be the bigger deduction for you. But for me, it's always mileage. Probably the second biggest write-off for most pet sitters and dog walkers will be your marketing expenses. So anything that you spend on your business cards and your flyers and your Google ads, your Facebook ads, if you're running an ad on a local radio station or a TV station, whatever you are doing to attract your new clients, all of those costs are tax deductible. All of our supplies as pet sitters and dog walkers are tax deductible. So think about anything that is necessary for us to do our job. That would be leashes, collars, harnesses, dog treats, poop bags, your tennis shoes, your raincoat, glasses if you have to wear glasses to see, anything like that. Anything that is necessary for us to do our job as pet professionals is tax deductible. That also includes like your office supplies. If let's say, for example, if you're printing out client agreement forms for them to sign, then like your printer and your printer ink and the paper, all of that kind of stuff would be tax deductible. Anything that is necessary for you to do your job as a pet professional. And speaking of the office supplies, the actual square footage of your home office, if you are primarily using this home office for your pet sitting and dog walking business, is also tax deductible. Business meals are another good tax deduction. So if you ever go out for coffee with another local pet sitter, or you have a team and you want to take your team out for lunch, all of those meals are 50% deductible. Professional memberships are also tax deductible. So if you're a member of NAPS or PSI or maybe a local pet professionals network, all of those membership fees are deductible. Something else that I do want to mention here at the end is that this is by no means a full list of all of the potential deductions. These are just some of the big, most common ones for us pet sitters and dog walkers. But again, do your own research. There's lots of information online. And more important than anything is find and use an actual professional accountant for all of this kind of stuff. I really hope this information has been helpful to you and to your business. And I would love it if you connected with me down in the comments below and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with my weekly content about being a full-time professional pet sitter, dog walker, and pet business owner. I'm Doug the Dog Guy from Bad to the Bone Pet Care, reminding you to stay positive.